Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you such a delicious little snack that I'm beyond excited. I'm going to show you how to make coconut bars. They're super easy, super simple ingredients, so it's not like you have to go searching throughout the world to get them. But I'm just so excited to share it with you because this has been one of my favorite things to snack on lately. So I thought I would share it with you. So if you want to see how they come together, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, super easy. You're going to need some unsweetened coconut. I'm using Pretty Fine Flakes. If you can't find these, just buy the regular ones and just put them in a food processor to make them a little bit smaller. You're going to need some salt, some sweetened condensed milk, and then I'm going to dip these a little bit in semi-sweet chocolate and some in milk chocolate, but you can use either or. You're also going to want one of these pans so that we can set the bars in these. Alright, this is super easy to do. You're going to add just a pinch of salt to your coconut. This is just going to help even out the sweetness. And you're going to add in your sweetened condensed milk. I have about 3/4 of a cup. Now if you find that your bars aren't coming together because you don't have enough milk, you can add some, but I suggest you do that after because you can't take any away. And then they're going to be super soggy and super sweet. So you're just going to mix this all together until it becomes one smooth mixture. Alright, so my mixture is nicely combined. It kind of looks like, I don't want to say like wet sand, but kind of does. It's kind of clumping together like wet sand. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the mixture into my pan. Just kind of dump it all out. And I didn't add any additional milk to mine because I don't think I need it. Everything's sticking together nicely. So, okay. Get everything all out. And then you're just going to press this into your pan to make it like one even layer. Okay, my mixture is in my pan. It's nicely kind of zhuzhed in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the fridge for a couple of hours so that they get nicely set. And then we're going to dip them in some chocolate. Alright, so I took this out of the fridge. It was in the fridge for about an hour and hour or 15 minutes or so. It's pretty set. So while I'm cutting this, I'm going to melt my milk chocolate in the microwave at 15-second increments, stirring after every 15 seconds. But I just want to show you how to cut this. All I do is I go in half, like so. And then I just cut them into little strips, just like that, to make it like a bar. And don't worry if you feel like they're not sticking together, they will. It's just you don't want this to be super hard, otherwise it's going to be impossible to bite. So I'm going to finish cutting, melt my chocolate, and I'll meet you here. Alright, I started doing a couple, but I wanted to make them a little bit smaller. It was a little bit hard to dunk them, so I just cut them into little pieces like this. And then you're just going to dunk it. Some chocolate. And then you'll place it, this little piece right here. Little piece of coconut. You're going to place it on your baking sheet that I lined with some parchment paper, and you're just going to continue to do this. And I'm going to do some semi-sweet and some milk. So I know these don't look the best, but I have to get my groove on, you know, to get them to look a little bit better. But I did the ones with the milk chocolate, well, half of them. So now I'm going to put these into the fridge and let them set until they're completely set. And I'm going to continue to work on the rest of these. I hope you guys love this recipe. It's really delicious. It's easy. Don't let the look of these fool you. They'll look better, I promise. All right, I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you later. Bye.